federal judge has set Donald Trump's court date for March 4th, 2024. This, as in Georgia, his former chief of staff, Mark Meadows, has asked for his trial to be moved to federal court. CBS News legal contributor Jessica Levinson joins us now. Jessica is fantastic at explaining what all these legal decisions mean. There's a lot of trials. There's a lot of cases to juggle here. So talk to us about what factors, Jessica, do you think went into Judge Chutkan's decision to say March 4th?
I think what she really focused on is the idea that the public has the right to resolution in this case. And Scott MacFarlane from CBS had great real-time reporting. He was in the courtroom. And if you read what he reported, he really indicated that this judge cares about the jury the public having some sort of resolution in this case. She talked about the fact that memories fade. She talked about the fact that evidence can become unavailable. And I think overriding here, she just was not buying what the Trump defense team was selling. Let's remember, they asked for a 2026 trial date. And what they said is, well, there's so much evidence to go through. There's millions of pages. And she really cut to the core of that argument, said that you can go through that electronically. And there's a lot of duplication. And you know what this case is about because you yourself said that this looks like we're largely retreading on areas that were covered by the January 6th House Select Committee. So I think it was a combination of her kind of siding with the prosecution, that there's a need for public resolution. She also mentioned that she's worried about the social media posts coming from the defense side, that could potentially poison the jury pool. And her just saying that she thought, and apparently she really emphasized this in the courtroom, that the defense's request for 2026 was way too far off.
I think the main concern from the public, maybe not something that the judge might have addressed, is the idea that the former president, if he were elected, could either pardon himself or have the Justice Department just, lift those charges. That seems very convenient for the former president, for his legal team. They have been historically really good at throwing motion after motion to delay. Do they have any more avenues to push this past March?
Absolutely. This is a tentative date. And what they said during this hearing, it's such a good question. What they said is, well, this is going to be a really complicated case. And there's a lot of motions that we're going to file. They said they're going to file a motion saying that this case should never have been brought at all. They're going to bring a motion for selective prosecution that cites Hunter Biden. They're going to bring motions dealing with executive privilege that have never been discussed in this way before, because we've never been here before. We've never had a former president of the United States face any charges, let alone federal charges, for trying to overturn a presidential election. So yes, they can delay. I mean, you and I will be watching this judge to see if she says, file the motion, but we're going to be on a very quick schedule because she has enormous control over her courtroom.
Jessica Levinson never disappoints. Thank you so much.
Thank you.